Let's go now for mugs here. It's going to be very interesting. What we are going to do is to get the badge and the sticker for official sponsor, I think, and plug them on certain mugs. I want the free, and of course I want photos. Okay, but also I want the ceramic mug. We have here the ceramic mugs. Okay, and that looks good. So let's choose a nice one. Having more background or something realistic might be better. Or maybe, I don't know, if it's a business, and none of these photos will work very well. This one could be cool. This one will be very cool for a home product. I'm going to choose this mug here, and then we take the other one. So let's take this guy and go to upload image now. Directly, we know what we're doing. And we are going to take, for example, the badge. Okay, that is the green. And it looks pretty bad. Let's make it smaller first of all. See how it looks here, not bad at all. Okay, let's move it to this side. Yep, it looks good. Somehow it looks good. And we crop and continue. And you're done, guys. It's pretty beautiful, right? This is it. It's done. And notice how it's, going in 3D very well. You can customize it now if you like to and change the color to a black mug or a light gray mug, but we notice our picture here went with a background, so we have a white background, so this is not possible to use. So make sure next time you have a transparent background, and you can download now as usual and save it. I'm gonna save it, mug 1. Let's go for the second mug. In fact, we are going to go back. That will be okay. And I'm gonna choose for our sticker here, maybe, I don't know, this lady. Yep, that will be nice. And we're gonna upload from. Okay, and we're gonna take the sponsor and click OK. So let's see the preview here. Surely we need to make it smaller. Okay, even a bit smaller like this. Maybe we take it on the left so it's somehow centered within the mug itself here, the way we look at it. Let's see it in full view. That's not bad at all. I like it very much. Of course, now you're done. You have your photos. Let's call this one Mug 2. Thank you for listening to me. I hope this was very useful and lots of fun. And I encourage you a lot to do lots of mockups.